Good afternoon, everyone. All sit in a prayerful posture. We'll begin the class with the prayer. Good afternoon, everyone. All sit in a prayerful posture. We begin the class with the prayer. Dear God, keep each and everyone safe from all harm and danger. Protect everyone and help each one of us to understand and participate actively. Keep your loving hand upon each one of us. Now we'll start with the universal prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sin as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Dear students, in the previous class, we have finished with the topic Plantae, in which we have done about Thallophyta, Bryophyta, fungi, angiosperm, gymnosperms. Today we'll start with Animalia. Animalia means in the smaller classes you have studied about animals. So in Animalia, you will study about that these are the organisms which are eukaryotic, means having proper organelles. They are multicellular and heterotrophic. Heterotrophic, you know, which cannot make their own food. Their cells do not have cell wall, and most animals are mobile. Mobile means moving from one place to another. So in this, we will start. You are able to see on the screen. I have shared one video about porifera. So different types of animals which are classified, different classification of animals are there. So first one is porifera. So I will share my video with you. Just 1 minute. Anshika Kettle, unmute yourself, bache. Anshika, unmute yourself faster, girls. When I'm telling you, that time only you have to do. Her name is disappeared from here now. Aditi Kargotra, unmute yourself. Aditi, unmute yourself faster, 9th standard. Fast. I've given you permission to unmute. Assis, Aasees, Assis score that one. Unmute yourself, beta. I have unmuted you. Yes. And Aditi, you also do it faster. I'm waiting for you. Do it. Assis, are you able to see the video which is there on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Are you able to see what line sentence is written there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is written?
Most primitive of the multicellular animals.
Now, do you know the meaning of multicellular?
Yes, ma'am, which is having many cells.
Yes. That means these are most primitive. Primitive means very, very old. And these are very old organimals which are having many cells. Okay. Fine. I will then now go further with the video. Please don't mute yourself. Wait for a minute. We are able to see the screen, Assis.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the second sentence. What is given there?
No tissues or organs.
So that means they are not having particular tissues, no particular organs. And what is the third sentence? Made of a
Made of a collection of cells.
collection of cells. Many cells are there, but particular tissue, particular organ they don't have. Like we're talking about amoeba, you know, irregular structure, they don't have a particular shape. Okay, now 1 minute. You can mute yourself, beta, Assis. You mute yourself. I will give chance to other girls also. Fakira Ahmed, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, beta, faster. Fakira, you have to do it fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Welcome. I will go continue with the video and then I will tell you to speak what is given there. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now, Fakira, please read the sentence. What is given about sponges? Fakira, where you have gone?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, beta, read from the sentence which is given on the screen there. Start reading. Fakira, are you there? Fakira, I am able to hear your sounds.
Ma'am, I'm not able to hear your voice.
Not able. You are not able to see the screen which is given there.
Yes, ma'am, I'm able.
You say from that screen.
Ma'am, sponges occur in shallow water habitats and vary widely in size, up to 1 meter high, and shape.
Okay. Sponges occur in shallow water habitat. That is, shallow means very little less water, but it is found in water. Their habitat places in water and are very widely in size. Size is different, up to 1 meter high and shape. So that means in porifera you have to study about the word meaning is with holes. These are the organisms, those who are having holes. What they are having? Holes or pores. Fakira, what they are having? Holes or pores. She has muted herself. Okay. Okay. Now I will unmute one or two participants so that Janveen, unmute yourself. Today you are there with mute unmute. Otherwise, no mute unmute. Only just attendance in the classroom. Unmute yourself, Janveen, faster.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Very happy to hear your voice. You don't want to attend the class?
No, ma'am, that the network issues were there, so that's why I was not able to.
2 days I have seen continuously your mute unmute was not there. Okay, now see, please read the second line, all sponges. Janveen, read faster, beta. Again, you have muted yourself. You have to unmute yourself. Unmute yourself faster. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, all sponges are sessile filter feeders.
Sessile filter feeder means they don't move from one place to another. They are in one place only. And then they have written about sponges. How many species are there? See my cursor. I've kept
Over
it there.
7,000 species.
Yes. Approximately. Approximately written.
Approximately 40 species occur in local waters.
Yes, in normal water, we see these species, about 40 species, different varieties, and over 7,000 different species are there. So we have read about porifera. Porifera means the organisms who is having holes or pores. And all over the body, they are having holes or pores. And when they are having these holes or pores, these lead to a canal system. They will have a particular canal, means just like you see water flowing. So in that holes, they are having help in circulatory water, which helps in circulating water all over the body, so that to bring in food and oxygen. Janveen, are you there or you have muted yourself?
Yes. Yes, ma'am, there.
Okay, I will say one sentence, you repeat after me. When
Okay,
they are
ma'am.
having holes or pores,
When they are having pores,
this lead to a canal system
this lead to a canal system
that help in circulating
that help in circulating
water throughout the body
water throughout the body
to bring in food and oxygen.
to bring in food and oxygen.
So what it means? That means when they are having holes or pores, so there is a particular canal system made in the body which allow them to bring food and oxygen, help them to breathe also, help them to bring the food also. Okay, Janveen, now you can mute yourself. Good. Krishika, unmute yourself. Krishika Mahajan. Faster, beta. Fast. I've given you permission to unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache, just wait for a minute. Stuti Mehra, unmute yourself. Stuti Mehra, unmute yourself. I've given you permission to unmute. Faster, faster. I will on the video and then you will tell me what is given on the video there. Okay, just have patience. So it is given here 7,000 species and 40 species occur in local water. Local means normal water which we are seeing in the surrounding. And 2% of the sponges are freshwater sponges. Whom I have unmuted? Which participant I have unmuted? Say your name, please. Stuti, and one more I have unmuted. I'm able to hear your voice, please. Who is that one? Stuti, are you there? Who is the other participant whom I have unmuted? Okay. Just 1 minute. Stuti Mehra, are you unmuted there? Unmuted yourself? Say, speak out, bache. You have unmuted yourself, but you are not speaking. Okay, wait for a minute. Kavita Chaudhary, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
They have given the example of sponges there. So in sponges, what they have given, how many species? How many species are in local water? How many are in fresh water? Please say that sentence from there.
Ma'am, there are over 7,000 species.
Yes.
Approximately 40 species occur in local waters.
Yes.
2% of all sponges are freshwater sponges.
Yes. Now I told you about sponges, na holes and pores, proper canal system, which help them to bring food and oxygen. And these animals are covered with a hard outside layer or skeleton. That means their outer body is hard. What is their outer body, Kavita?
Hard.
Yes. Just wait a second. I will just go further with the video. No terrestrial sponges. What it means? That means we don't find sponges on the land.
Land.
Yes. Now see in this picture, you are able to see the picture. Erect rope sponge, black ball sponge, yellow tube sponge, and 2-3 sponges are on your book also given there. Spongilla, Cycon, Euplectida. So these are the animals, those who are having holes or pores. Because of that, you are able to see small holes on their bodies also. One we are able to see here, black ball sponge. Okay.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
the picture. Just 1 minute. Manreen, you also unmute yourself. Kavita, don't mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Manreen, just wait a minute. I will go further with the video. And so just see here, they are showing. 1 minute. Something has come on that. Okay, just 1 minute. So incoming water, you are able to see incoming water, Manreen? Water is going inside the sponges.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what name they have written when
Yes,
the water
ma'am.
is going inside? Particular word they have written. What they have written? Left side where I am putting my cursor. Incoming water. What is written?
Incoming water.
Yes. And on the top you are able to see the hair-like structures and showing something. What is
Ma'am,
that?
outgoing water.
Yes. That means these
Outgoing
organisms.
water.
Yes, beta. So these organisms are living in water and they are having the meaning of this porifera means only the organism with holes. What it means?
The
Organism
organism with holes or pores.
yes. And when they are
Holes.
having holes or pores, what important function they have then? When they're having holes or pores? They have a
Ma'am,
proper
this leads
canal
to
system.
canal system.
Yes. And what is
Ma'am,
the
which
function
help
of
in
the canal?
circulating water throughout body to bring
Yes.
food and oxygen.
Yes, very good. Okay. I have unmuted one more also, na Manreen, and one more was there.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is there, bache? Say your name.
Ma'am, Kavita.
Kavita. Yes, bache. Can you tell me any other point of holes of this porifera? I told you about the outer covering of these animals. They have hard outer layer or skeleton.
Covering.
They are having
Hard outer layer.
see the diagram, you're able to see how hard the structure is. Just as like a shape of a vase, which we keep at home to keep the flowers. So when the vase is strong, then only we are able to keep the flowers. Same way the outer body is very, very hard. Okay, bache. Kavita, you can mute yourself. Nivedita, unmute yourself, bache. Nivedita, unmute yourself. Faster. Yes, bache. Now, can you tell me, Nivedita, are you there, beta? You have unmuted yourself, and within the time only you disappeared from there. Just wait a second. I'll see. Nivedita, are you there? Unmute yourself once again, bache. Yes. Are you able to listen to me? You have unmuted yourself, na? Nivedita. Okay. She is there, but I don't know why I'm not able to hear her voice. So we'll go to find out Stuti is also unmuted but not able to hear her voice. Okay, smile. Unmute yourself, beta. Smile, Bharti. Unmute, बच्चे. Faster. Fast. Sonal Rajput, you have smile unmuted, but I am not able to hear your voice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Speak loudly, bete. So what you understood from this word porifera? I have shown you the video also. I have shown you the diagram also, na? What is the meaning of the porifera? The organism with holes. Just 1 minute. Tejasvi Sharma, unmute yourself. Tejasvi Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you able to understand what I have told you about porifera?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, porifera is a sponge animal which has pores in it, which help them to transport water and food through the canals.
Very good. And their animals are covered with the hard outer skeleton. Their body is very hard. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So and please mute yourself. Disturbances there, bache. And the body design involves very minimal differentiation and division into tissue. Means in the body, when we say cells are there, cells combine together to form tissues. So that type of differentiation is very less. And where are these found? Yashika Sharma, unmute yourself. Yashika Sharma, unmute yourself faster, beta. I have given you permission. Yes. And where are these poriferas found, Yashika? Yashika, are you there, bache? Bhumi Arora, your unmute is not there. Yes, now it has come. Kangana's unmute is not there. Priya Panotra, Sugam, you have just entered the classroom. Manisha Jambal, unmute yourself. 9th standard. Be smart, girls. You have to study, and this chapter is not very easy. You have to understand it. Then only we can go further. Manisha Jambal, unmute yourself. Today I will see which girls have not attended the classroom. You wait for a minute. Upasna Sharma, unmute yourself. Yes. Upasna, you have muted yourself, bache. Unmute yourself, Upasna. Unmute yourself. Yes. The topic which we have done, are you able to understand what we have done about porifera? Hey, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
What you understood about porifera? You understood about porifera? Suruchi, unmute yourself. Suruchi Sambriya, unmute yourself faster. Suruchi, unmute. Fast. Okay. Suhani Gupta, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache, did you understand what I taught you today?
Yes, ma'am.
About which topic I taught, bache?
Ma'am, porifera.
Porifera, we say. We don't say porifera. Porifera. What is the word? What is the pronunciation of the word? Porifera.
Porifera.
What you understood from this topic, bache?
Ma'am, porifera is an organism with pores.
Yes.
Ma'am, it circulates food and water through canals.
Yes, bache. Their about bodies, what have happened to
And
the
ma'am,
outer
its
covering?
structure is very hard.
Yes. And the body design involves very minimal differentiation. means very littly, like very small differentiation, or maybe dividing into tissues. That thing is very small in them, and they are commonly called sponges. What we call them?
Sponges.
Yes. And where are they found? In marine habitats. Do you know the meaning of marine habitats?
Ma'am, water habitats.
Not simple water. Which water? Marine means what? Where seas and oceans are there. In that water. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. I'm stop sharing the screen now. And we will go to the next topic. And that next topic is, just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. We will go to the next topic. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Okay, बच्चे mute yourself. Disturbance is coming, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Rimjim Khajuria, unmute yourself. Rimjim Khajuria, yes. Are you able to see the screen? Rimjim Khajuria, are you able to see the screen? Beta, you have to unmute and then you have to speak out, na? Kritika Sharma, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Kritika, have you, who has unmuted herself? Kritika, you are?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Are you able to see the screen? I have shared one screen.
Yes,
So,
yes,
okay,
ma'am.
we'll start with the next organism now in Animalia. Coelenterata. What is the name? Coelenterata. Koi E silent. Coelenterata. What is the word? Coelenterata. Okay. These are the animals living in water. When we are talking about these organisms, porifera were also found in marine habitat. They were having, and this Coelenterata is also found aquatic. You are able to see my cursor where I am putting. These organisms are
Yes,
mostly
ma'am.
okay, and they show
Yes,
more
ma'am.
body differentiation. So you please read the first line which is given there.
Usually known to be the simplest of all animals group.
Means
Coelenterata.
simple structure they're having. Okay, say now.
Coelenteratas have true tissues and the gas. Ma'am, please move the cursor.
Gastrovascular
Cavity, which is the characteristic coelenteraton.
characteristics. Say the word. This is
Ma'am,
like you
please
are saying
repeat.
characteristics, na bache? Characteristics.
Yes, ma'am.
Same that pronunciation.
Characteristics.
Coelenteron. What is the word? Coelenteron. So these are the simplest organisms, animals, and have true tissues. True tissue means in the first topic, porifera, we said they don't have the proper tissues in the division of tissues in them.
Yes, ma'am.
Parts are not there. So gastrovascular cavity. Gastrovascular cavity is the primary organ of digestion and circulation. What is the meaning of gastrovascular? Primary organ of digestion and circulation. Say beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Gastrovascular means primary organ of, they're having particular organ of digestion and circulation. What they're having?
Okay,
Organ
ma'am,
of
primary organ of digestion and circulation.
circulation. Yes, because circulatory system has to be there. Not only the circulation will go on inside the body, and proper digestion is also there. That's why we are saying they're having true tissues. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Arjot, unmute yourself. Faster, beta, faster. I have to take the attendance also. Faster. Harjot. Harshit, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, can I mute?
हाँ बच्चे, you mute yourself. Harshit.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चे, see, read from here. However, these organisms.
However, these organisms also have a few other characteristics, features that make them highly different from other organisms in the animal kingdom as listed below.
So these are the different points which are they have given about Coelenterata. Because first we have done porifera, particular animal which you have not heard beforehand, not understood. So I made you understand what is the meaning of porifera. Now you please read this. These organisms are.
These organisms are mostly aquatic. Some live in marine water.
Marine means ocean
Marine,
and seas.
for
Say,
example, sea. Yes, ma'am.
yes, read from here, for example.
For example, sea anemones, while some live in fresh water. For example, hydra.
Okay, sea anemones. Anemones. Sea organisms. Okay, a different. Now
Okay,
then
ma'am.
what is the next line? They may live in
They may live in colonies like Obelia,
colonies. What is the word?
colonies,
Colonies.
colonies like Obelia,
Yeah.
or may live.
Solitarily like Hydra.
Yeah.
Hydra means Hydra doesn't want anybody, any company there. That particular type of organism, Hydra, work alone. You have seen this Hydra in 8th standard when you have done the chapter. In that you have done about asexual reproduction. Hydras were having tentacles. So they were growing bud on their body. And when that bud was fully grown, that particular bud used to attach to the ground, and then the organism was formed. So they grow alone. But this Colentrita, they live in colonies. What they live? They live in colonies.
Colonies.
Okay, colonies, which is colonies. Kashish Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Kashish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Okay, I'm able to hear you. Some coelentrates, please read from here.
Some coelentrates are free floating or are known to swim about freely, like Aurelia. Others, ma'am, please remove the curse.
One
Others
minute.
are.
1 minute.
Others are. Yes, ma'am.
Just 1 minute, bache. You are not able to see?
Ma'am, I am able to see.
Okay, say now. Say, bache.
Starting.
Say, bache, I'm saying speak.
Some coelentrates are free floating or are known to swim about freely, like Aurelia.
Yes.
Others are sedentary, like corals.
Sedentary.
Sedentary.
Not free floating. They are in one place only. Coelentrates are free floating or are known to swim about freely. Freely means anywhere they know how to move. But the others are sedentary, like corals. Corals are the particular organisms which are in one place only. They are not free floating, not moving. Okay. Now read the next one. Their bodies are
mostly cylindrical, flat, or resemble the shape of a cup.
Know the shape of the cup. Everybody knows the shape of the cup. So their body is cylindrical, flat, or resemble the shape of a cup. So we have done, these are the organisms found in water. They live in colonies. They are free floating. Their shape is cylindrical, flat, or sometimes its shapes look like the cup which we are using. Okay. Okay, bache. Now give me just 1 minute. 1 minute. Ishpreet, unmute yourself, bache. Faster, beta. I'm giving you permission. You people are not doing. So slow, you people are.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmuted yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shala, unmute yourself by the time. Okay, bache, read now. Their bodies can be. Read from here.
Their bodies can be rapidly symmetrical,
Not rapidly, readily.
readily symmetrical, with a central gastrovasticular cavity, or maybe completely
Bilaterally.
bilaterally symmetrical.
Yes.
Bilaterally symmetrical, like sea anemones.
Anemones means that body is divided into segments. Like we're seeing the small, like sleeping lines, we know, na? That type of lines are
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
And they are having gastrovesical cavity. Proper digestion, proper circulation is going on inside the body. Body organization of organism belonging to the coelentrates are multicellular. So what are they? Multicellular. Understood, bache? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have done 2 topics today. I will not go further because these 2 topics are new to all of you, and I will take the attendance for a while. I will take the attendance so that I will come to know which students are present there, because most of you are not attending the class. So I will take the attendance, then only I'll come to know which my students are not coming. And especially I told each one of you to attend the class because the chapter which we are doing is totally new to all. We have not done it beforehand. These words, porifera, coelenterate, thallophyta, bryophyta, these all the things are new to all. Just wait a second and the absentee's name will be given. Just wait a second. And keep the habit of present in the class from starting till end. Some of you leave the class after 10 to 15 minutes. Chapters are there for you to understand. Okay, बच्चे, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. I have taken the attendance of all the girls. Okay. Now, anybody wants to ask anything? Just 1 minute. Anybody wants to ask anything? I'll unmute you all. Anybody wants to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I tried my best to understand. And I've taken the attendance.
No, ma'am.
One is absent in my class. Okay? Okay,
Yes,
bache,
ma'am.
bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Same to you,
Bye,
bache.
ma'am.
God